In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get iPhone emojis on your Huawei phone. Okay, so I'm on a Mate 20, but this should work for all Huawei phones. So the first step would be to go to the Google Play Store on your phone. And then in the search bar, you just want to search for Huawei themes. Hit search. And then you want to scroll down and you can see this one right here at the top, Themes Manager for Huawei/Honor phones. Go ahead and tap on that, and then you want to make sure that you have this installed. So I have it installed already, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and then it looks like this when you open it up. And then you can see all those options at the top. It says For You, fonts, wallpapers, but you want to go ahead and tap on the emoji icon, and then you can see it says iOS 13 at the top. Now these aren't the most recent iPhone emojis, but they are still iPhone emojis nonetheless. So tap on iOS 13. Those will be the most recent ones on this app. And then you can see it says downloaded. Click to install for me. But for you, it's going to say apply. So all you would need to do is apply it. It will download the emojis, and then it will bring up this downloaded click to install button. Then you just click on that, and then you'll just need to go through an ad really quickly. Close out the ad, and it says almost done. The file is on your device. Now just apply it. So tap on OK. Then you want to go out of this app, and it tells you how you can do it. So you need to go to the Themes app on your phone, and then go to My Text Styles, and then apply it from there. So I'm going to go out of here, and then on my phone I'm going to search for the Themes app. So I'm going to swipe down from the top of my screen till I get the search bar. Then I'm going to type Themes, and Themes pops up over there. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on Themes, and then from here it says at the top there downloaded, and you want to tap on Themes. And there you can see it says emoji iOS 13. Tap on that and you can read more about it, but then just tap on apply. It says this theme isn't fully compatible with your software version. Apply a reduced version. So we'll just have to do that in my situation, but it might be a different situation on your specific phone. So I'm going to apply the reduced version. Now you can see my theme has changed. So I can go to a notepad, open a new notepad, tap on the emoji icon, and now you can see I have the emojis for iOS 13. They have changed. If you're familiar with the Android emojis, you'll know that these ones look different. So I can go to my recent, and you can see now they are iPhone emojis, which is pretty cool. So that would be the process of how you could do that. So if this video helped you out, drop a comment down below and let me know that it worked. And if you got some value, then smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. Take care.